Hey, if one of your earbud is not working on the Realme Buds Air 6, but you are still connected with your device, let me show you how we can fix this. So first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now you will have to just rotate this case, find this small button, and right now you will have to click and hold on this button and take a look on this small indicator on the front. It starts blinking with the white, but when we hold it, over the time it will start blinking like this with the green and the white. And now we have to just release this button. Now close this case for a few seconds and remember to recharge your earbuds for 10 minutes. For example, you can use any USB-C cable or even from your smartphone, and after this you will have to click and hold this button one more time to enter for the pairing mode, so it means that this indicator starts blinking white. And now you will have to simply go into the pair new device. I'm gonna actually get rid of this previous connection, connect them, and now we can check if it works. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.